Good afternoon. On behalf of the Goochland County Board of Supervisors, I'm your County Administrator, John Badesky. Today I'm joined here with our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Raley, our Fire and Rescue Chief, Chief Ferguson, and our Sheriff, Sheriff Creasy. Thank you for your time this afternoon. Earlier this morning, Goochland County, in conjunction with our regional partners, Chesterfield, Hanover, Henrico, and the City of Richmond, declared a state of local emergency in response to the continued spread of the novel coronavirus COVID-19. This action allows us to take additional steps as a region to dedicate resources and protect our communities. Although there are no presumed positive cases of COVID-19 in Goochland at this time, we are working in collaboration with our regional partners to be proactive and mitigate the risks of any potential spread. Local strategies will be implemented to limit large crowds and practice social distancing. We're proud members of the Central Virginia All Hazards Management Team, and that team has been activated with all emergency matters. First responders, health experts, and public information professionals will be actively engaged in this activity. As a region, we are all committed to working with our state and local partners to safeguard our residents and to make sure we are providing the most current information available. Working together as a region is our top priority to make sure our residents and visitors stay healthy. To those ends, today I'm sharing a number of initiatives that we are undertaking as a county, and Dr. Raley will follow as it relates to schools. Effective immediately, Goochland County is closing all of our county buildings for use by the public after normal business hours of 8:30 to 5 p.m. This includes evenings and weekend hours. Additionally, the county is canceling all non-essential public meetings in our county buildings, including upcoming town halls through the end of March on March 31st. County convenience centers and our parks will remain open during normal operating hours. We are encouraging all community groups and organizations to cancel or reschedule all group gatherings through at least March 31st. In addition, we are encouraging outside groups to cancel any planned events at outside Goochland County parks and recreation facilities. Employee work-related travel outside Goochland County, except for essential business, is being restricted until further notice. The county is taking additional efforts to protect our employees, our citizens, and our guests by expanding our cleaning efforts for all of our buildings during the day and during the closed hours of our facilities that we have just expanded. The county is also considering implementing a compassionate billing practice for all of our utility customers. During this time, no utilities customer services will be turned off due to lack of payment. It is important that we recognize that the practice of public safety is critical with the use of water and sewer facilities, and we will not be cutting off any users. Also, individuals who dial 911 should expect to be asked additional questions as part of our emergency medical dispatch protocols that have been put into place by the Goochland County Sheriff's Office and Goochland County Fire and Rescue. We appreciate all the individuals answering those questions to the best of their abilities. There are a number of recommendations that we have for our residents to help slow the spread of the virus. We continue to recommend frequent washing of hands, coughing or sneezing into tissue if possible, an arm if not, and wash your hands afterward. Frequently clean commonly used surfaces, including phones, keyboards, and etc. Avoid large gatherings and practice social distancing. If you are not feeling well, please stay home. Don't return to work until you are feeling better. If you begin to experience flu-like symptoms or have respiratory issues, please contact your primary care physician. Goochland County will be doing everything we can to support our employees and their health through this time. Through continued preparation and collaboration between localities guided by the Central Virginia All Hazards Incident Management Team, we will continue to monitor this pandemic and support each other in our regional response. We do understand that this is an unusual, inconvenient, and perhaps frightening time for our residents. But it's critical that everyone remain calm, stay informed, and follow the CDC's safety recommendation. We will continue as a county to provide updates on the Goochland County website at www.goochlandva.us, as well as on our Goochland County government accounts on Facebook and Twitter. Residents, we encourage you to sign up on our website for our Code Red alert system. This alert system will allow us to share the most up-to-date and urgent information to you. You have the ability to sign up to receive emails, calls, or texts. We also would like to share with our residents that we are utilizing information provided by the Virginia Department of Health. They have established an information line at 1-877-ASK-VDH3 for questions from residents regarding the coronavirus situation. This is a rapidly changing situation. We recommend to citizens to use the following trusted websites for information and updates: Central Virginia All Hazards Incident Management Team's website, the Virginia Department of Health website, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention websites, all of which can be found through links on the Goochland County website. I will now turn it over to Dr. Raley for an update on the activities of our public schools.
Thank you, Mr. Wadesky. Good afternoon. I'm Jeremy Raley, Superintendent of Goochland County Public Schools. Earlier today, in collaboration with our local and regional partners, our school division decided to close schools through March 29th of this month. Since then, as we know, Governor Northam has made an executive decision to close all schools in Virginia for at least 2 weeks. And so as we have been planning and preparing for that, our students left today with packets of information and information downloaded on their devices so that they can access information and progress on their educational path during the course of the next 2 weeks while we're out at school. It's important to know for our citizens and our families that none of that work requires the use of internet, and should you receive any sort of information that does require the use of the internet, there is no need to do that, and we will be working through the process as we go forward in the next 2 weeks. It's really important that we're going to focus on a continuity of operations and really focus on the needs of our students and our families. We are going to communicate on Monday a plan for us to provide meals at different locations, as well as utilizing our Sunshine food bus to make sure that we can have warm, healthy meals available for our students. Please follow the work that we're doing and providing updates related to this situation on our website. Follow us on Twitter, check us out on Facebook. We'll be communicating through those means as well as through email.
Thank you, Dr. Raley. And residents, this is a rapidly changing situation. Please look forward to future updates. We will continue to work hard and look forward to protecting your public safety and that of our employees. Thank you very much.